Claus gave you today? Wow. Good. Check again, babe. Maybe there is something more. Candy.
Jam.
Jam. Maybe Tita Sam is still sleeping. What Santa Claus gave you?
It's a jam.
Check some more, babe. Ooh, there's another candy. Makalat lang yung aming sala, guys, kasi last night nanood kami ng movie. Sabi siya naglalaro lang yan siya. Nakabihis na kami kasi pupunta kami sa Talakaveri. Now it's 10:59. Mag-alas 11 na pala. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magagawa namin tonight. Yung plano namin is magbe-bake kami. Ewan ko kung makapag-bake pa kami nito mamaya. Kasi sabi, nag-aya siya ina. Pumunta daw kami doon. So, 1 hour and 18 minutes yung biyahe namin for today. 1 hour yung biyahe namin. Pupunta sa temple.
Sorry.
No, it's okay. Hindi ka naka-break. Hindi ako naka-break ka dyan, Sam. Relax lang. Sam's husband will be very happy. He will think that we are good influence because we are going to bring Sam to the temple.
Yes, correct.
Kasi gusto namin siya maging good girl. Dahil namin siya sa temple.
Good girl.
Good girl. How's my guda-guda there? Are you okay?
Hi, vlog. Hi, vlog.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, camera.
Hi, camera. Market day pala dito ngayon nila. Tuesday. They have Amla, huh? Ito yung parang market area nila dito sa town na to. Or village. Village ata na to. Meron silang shopping center. Ito na yung mall nila siguro dito. Meron yung mga Christmas decors.
Someone sitting.
And we are stuck.
In this car? No. They parked the car in the middle of
Very bright.
brainy. No, the problem is the bus is waiting. That's why. The bus is not moving.
Papasok pa lang kami.
Bagmanlat. This is actually a different district.
Medyo maganda na ngayon dito. Meron ng mga tinda-tindahan. Oo. Probinsya talaga yung dinaanan namin kanina. Ay, the bridge is nice. That's the temple? This one?
Bagmanla is also a temple. This is also a temple. But we are going Talakaveri temple. This is also.
Ay, this is nice also. Other side, Daddy, oh.
Yeah. This is also a famous temple. So while returning, we'll come here.
Yeah, we can jump here. We are literally on the top of the mountain. Ito siguro yung pinaka-highest point dito.
You can park here.
Here. Look at this tourist destination but full of garbage. Hindi man lang nila nililinis or tinatapon sa tamang basurahan. This is the temple. Dito na kami. Yung aking anak ay tulog.
Oh, baby. Let's go.
We're here, baby love. Her shoes, Danay, Daddy. Put on her shoes, Danay. Nag-U-turn kami kasi walang parking doon. Yan yung temple. Ayan. Ang ganda ng bukid. Merong dress code some,
May dress code?
Oo.
Tama ako.
Oo, tama ka. Traditional. Meron naman akong kurta. Magkurta ako. Wow! Ang nice naman. They are drinking water, Mimi. Wow! They're thirsty. I'll take off socks, Mimi.
Give me 15 rupees.
Okay. Daddy, should I wear my kurta?
It's okay.
Mishka, ando na sa taas. No, Misha, you can't swim. Mishka!
So this is the starting point. This is starts. From the side. It starts.
You throw coin, Mimi, and then you do wish?
Dapat ma-shoot dun sa bilog daw.
Ay,
To
okay.
shoot in that.
You have to shoot.
The round one.
Okay, we'll try.
Let's try. Marami akong coins. Busin natin to.
Sige na, Sam.
Apo dyan lang.
Huy!
Hindi nila alam.
Nag-prayer ka pa?
Oh, no. Yes! No.
Ginawang laro.
Yes! Now I can wish. Nag-shoot ako, so pwede ako mag-wish.
That's the temple.
You pray, give offering. You want to shoot mommy? Come. Shoot here.
Fold it so. Good job.
Yan, very
Okay.
good. Oh, isang kitin
Let's
wish
go.
niyo.
Now can we play?
Yeah, you can pray.
You pray.
Go.
You pray. Yeah, okay, I will come with you.
Tita Sam will help.
You pray.
Go pray. Say pranam. Say pranam. Aww. Ang view from the temple is really nice, guys. Ganda ng view. Palabas na kami. They have stalls here. Souvenirs and toys. Candies and sweets also. Another 1 hour. Pabalik dun sa Madikeri. And it's now 1:33 ng hapon. We are going to stop over na naman, guys. Meron kaming isang temple na nadaanan kanina dito. Break time muna kami before kami doon pumunta sa temple or doon sa river. Mag-snacks muna. Chai sila chai. Hindi ako magcha-chai. Tamad akong mag-chai, guys, kasi mainit. Parang ukoy na matamis sa atin. Ito naman yung sa amin. Parang ukoy siya, Sam. Ito. Sarap. Are we going inside this temple or riverside?
We'll see first go to the river side.
Okay.
Bag Mandala.
Okay.
Bag Mandala temple.
Bag Mandala Temple. Before pumasok tayo doon, Mishka. Gusto ng coconut water. Laki ng buko, oh. How much is this big one, huh?
Same.
Kitna? Pachat.
The shape is big and water will be same.
Is it?
Near same baratte. Same.
Leave footwear here. Sit there with daddy, oh. Diyan yung river. Diyan tayo magtatampisaw. Ang init dito na sa dito. Argay, mas mainit dyan. Ang init sa paa. Yung aking mag-amaan doon na.
Ayun na, magbabasa
Nagtatampisaw na. It's okay, she have clothes.
We have.
Yeah. What?
Junction of 3 rivers.
1, 2, 3. Ah, okay, okay. This is the first river.
So many fish are there, Mr. C.
Second and third.
Hey, don't they let you catch up?
Nababasa yung aking pantalon. Ah, hindi naman pala. Ang lamig ng ano guys, ng tubig.
There's sand.
There's a
Yeah, there is sand.
Why there's
Yes.
sand?
Let's walk, walk.
How can
So cold.
we get the sand?
No, baby.
Why?
No, don't touch it by your hand. Yeah.
So this water is like holy? No.
They consider it maybe.
I think it is.
Others are taking a bath earlier.
Yeah.
Oo, yun yung uncle kanina. Tapos nung dumaan tayo, marami yung naliligo dito.
Help, help, help. Captain, Jaman, and Mari. Look at that.
Nagsuot ako ng kurta para hindi na ako magsuot ng shawl. Para medyo conservative tayo. Nagkurta ako. After this, punta kami sa kabilang side, doon sa temple. Diyan lang. Gusto ka nag-i-enjoy sa river sana. Gusto pang maligo. The name of this temple is Sri Bhagandeshwara Temple. We're having prashad.
Now this me eat.
You have to wash your own plate. Because you had free food, now you have to wash your dishes. Dito yung dishwashing area nila. Our lunch is solved.
Free lunch. Free lunch. In fairness, masarap yung pagkain nila.
Hindi ganun kaanghang yung sambar. Where are you going? Where are you going, Mimi? Parang sa China ka, Sam. Punta ka bang China? O Thailand. Parang ano to.
Kaya na may ganito, pero malalaki. Yung sa bandang Forbidden City. So may ganito, may ganyan.
Like may waiting area dito.
Baka ano, dadasal.
Papasok siguro sa temple.
Let's go na!
Yeah, you need to go sleep.
You need to go sleep. Yeah, it's late. 3 o'clock.
Si Pinay ba sa Thank you for coming.
Maybe they are making this glass bridge.
Maybe they are making this a tourist attraction.
Glass bridge.
Glass bridge. Pero under construction pa siya.
Huh?
Maybe tomorrow, baby. I'm not sure today.
I just saw. Like my channel, please press on my button, like